Hi there, I am Srikanth and today I am going to talk about template literals. JavaScript template literals introduced as ES6 feature. It's provide a more flexible way to create a strings compared to traditional string concatenations. They allow embed expressions, multi-line strings, and complex string manipulations. Here we will see some examples on these areas. Template literals are enclosed in backticks, unlike single or double quotes used for the regular strings. These are the backtick symbols we used to use for the template literals. For example, const name equal to Srikanth. So, like this, we can use the template literals. So this is the basic syntax of the template literals. So what is the use of this one? So earlier to concatenate the two strings, we used plus operator for this one. But in this case, we use the template literals. So we'll go with the traditional approach and template literals way. I take the two strings. Let me make this one as a single quote string. And now I'm concatenating the name and age. Your name is and your age is. This is the traditional approach. Now we will use template literals. Open the backticks and your name is dollar symbol and open the curly braces. This is the way to add the variables within the string. I add the name and I didn't make any concatenation with the plus operator here. I am directly writing the string in between adding the variables with this approach. Template literals will allow these variables within the string by enclosing those variables in curly braces followed by dollar symbol. And your age is, so I'm going to add another variable. So I added one more curly braces followed by dollar symbol. Now I'm consoling both console.log name age and name age temp. Let me run it. You see here, you can see both the same output it prints. As I mentioned in the first comment, it is used as a embed expressions. Here I embed the values within the string. And second one, we can use this one template literals as a multi-line comment. Earlier in traditional way, to make the comment multi-line, we can use /n. But with this approach, we can go with a simpler way. Const multi-line. Open the backticks. Hello world. Are you there? Now let me console this one. And running the code. If you see here, in the first one, these are the embedded variables. This one is the traditional one, and this one is the template literals one, embedded the variables within the string. And this one is the multi-line approach. I didn't use any slash there, and I gave the empty space also. It is also taken like this one. So if you see here, I mean, empty space is there, empty line is there. So this is how we can use the template literals. And one more one, complex string manipulations. We can do the some complex string manipulations. We'll see in the another example. If you see here in this example, I take the one function, that one is the highlight. Within that one, I am passing parameters, some parameters, strings and values. There and take the let result equal to empty one, because I am going to add these strings and values to this one. And I am making the complex HTML tag here with the dynamic variables. Here I take name as Alice and age as 30. In the highlight function, I am passing names and age as strings and values name and age variables. So once I run this one, console log highlighted this, and it is assigned to the highlighted variable. And if I run this code, this will print as a string name, mark, and values as the whatever I passed Alice and age same like this. If you see the output, you can see name, mark. So this is the mark already whatever we have, and value is Alice in the mark, and age values 30. So we can do the complex string manipulations like this. This is how we can use template literals. This is about the template literals. Thank you. Please do subscribe.